In today's technology-driven world, printed circuit boards are the heart of any electronic device. They come in various configurations, which allows them to serve multiple applications in different industries. At Tessolve, our expert team of 250 designers provide turnkey PCB hardware solutions, from schematic design to layout to complete tested assembled boards. Our global engineering team delivers high-quality turnkey PCB hardware solutions, ranging from schematic capture, library development, PCB layout, SIPI thermal simulation, CAM up and front-end engineering, mechanical design, turnkey hardware manufacturing, complete supply chain project management. We are an engineering-focused company working on cutting-edge technologies, 5G, HDI, high-performance computing, and high-speed boards, to name a few. We build systems for semiconductor, defense, automotive, medical devices, data telecom, IoT, and consumer product companies. As a global engineering solutions company employing over 2,500 plus engineers, we have integrated our competencies to support customers from concept to complete product. PCB design is a significant part of the hardware development process, and Tessolve delivers quality PCB hardware solutions. Let's bring your product to its inception. Contact sales@tessolve.com for more info.